Engineer Training Program of Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, Manufacturing and Quality Management. Chapter 3, Plan Layout. Table of Contents. 1. Definition of plan layout. 2. Objective of plan layout. 3. Principle of plan layout. 4. Types of plan layout. 5. Line plantings. 6. Examples of line plantings. 1. Definition of plan layout. What is plan layout?
Plan layout are what you organizing and arranging the elements that help making the roads, such as personal operation equipment, storage space, equipment, material, and other. The result of these benefits and optimizing is that you're creating the workplace, workshop, and production line. Now we will go on the example of plan layout. As you can see in the first picture, there's a cloud conveyor that the robots run on it, and near them there are some stations, and each station has its own function. Now go to the next picture. This is about a garment company. That's the working place divided into many columns or rows, and each row or column has a function. Example like A, B, C work. The area A will work only one thing, then they will go on to the area B and C after that. The third picture is about a working place that has some area, and each area has a working area that's different from the other. And the final picture is about chap working place. The product will run on the chap and go to each station and working at there. Next, we are go to the second part, the objective of plan layout. The first objective of plan layout is to making the manufacturing process better. Second, effective utilization of man, equipment, and space. Next, providing employee convenience, safety, and comfort. Go on, minimizing material, monitoring, and production costs. Maintaining flexibility of arrangement and operation. Minimizing overall production time. And finally, minimizing investment of equipment. 3. Principle of plan layout. There are 6 principles. First, integration. Integrating man, material, machine, and supporting services and others in order to get the optimum utilization of resources and maximum effectiveness. Second, minimum distance. Total distance traveled by the man and materials should be minimum, and as far as possible, straight line movement should be preferred. Third, cubic space utilization. Utilizing both horizontal and vertical space. It's not only enough if only the floor space is utilized optimally, but the third dimension, the height, is also to be utilized effectively. The fourth, the principle of flow. Making the material to move in forward direction toward the completion state. There should not be any backtracking. Safety, security, and satisfaction. worker safety and satisfaction, and secure of the plant and machinery against the fire chap. You must remember safety first. And final, minimum handling. Reducing the material handling to be the minimum to reduce the extract time and cost. And go on, we will go to the type of plant layout. There are three kinds. First, process or functional layout. The second, product layout. And the final, combination layout. That's the combination of the two above. First, process or functional layout. Process or functional layout meaning you organizing and arranging many machines that have the same function in one area. As you can see in the picture below. Now we will talk about the advantage and limitation of this layout. The advantages are that the machine are better utilized and require fewer. Flexibility of equipment and personnel if possible, and higher utilization of production facility. The limitations include production cost per unit of product will increase, using less efficient material, and low machine performance. Also, we will get difficulty in production planning and unstable operation. It will need more working space and capital, and finally, high-skilled worker requirement. The second, product layout or technology process layout, meaning you organizing and arranging the machine in one line. The line is based on your workplace and the condition of your job. It can be a U sharp, M sharp, or L sharp. You can see in the picture below the traditional method and U sharp method. The professor said that the U sharp is the best layout for production. This is the U sharp production line in reality. Now we talk about the advantage and limitation. The advantages are that the layout helps saving working space and transportation cost, and higher performance of worker and machine. It also helps the material flow would be easy and more logical, and the continuous cycle time increase productivity, and finally minimize the idle time of worker. The limitation have two problems. First, if a machine breaks down, it will affect the whole production line, and the product chain will make the system change too, and that will be a very big chain. Finally, project layout or fixed position layout. That means the production will be fixed position, and the material, the worker, and machine will come to the production plant to work at there. All the work will be done in that position. This layout is used to creating big ship, boat, or plane, as you can see in the picture. And the advantage of this layout is that you have less transportation cost during the production because it's working in one position, and less investment cost for layout. The limitation that it requires worker with high skill, and the cost of transporting is more. Thank you for your attention.